good day everyone. I'm Dr. Yoga here from Dr. Yoga Hair Restoration Center. With me, we have the most pioneer and talented hair transplant surgeon here from India. So we would like to speak about FUE, some techniques of FUE, and what are the latest methods and what is there in the field today. So let's have some words from Dr. Vivek today. Let's go, Dr. Vivek.
Thank you, Dr. Yoga. Amazing name, Dr. Yoga and a center. So all the hair loss sufferers and baldies of Malaysia, the wait is over. Dr. Yoga, after attending latest conferences in the research centers globally, is launching in Kuala Lumpur instant FUE and newer technologies in the field of hair restoration. I'll just throw some light on it to make you understand more. Okay?
Yes, sure.
So now you can get in Malaysia itself what is available worldwide. It's a unique technique. So friends, hair transplant is relocation of hair from back to the front. Fine. Hair transplant started with FUT technique where strip was taken out, graft was sorted under microscope and they were implanted. Fine. Then we were taking hair follicle one by one. It's called FUE technique. So no need of taking strip or scalp. Then if we are putting PRP, PRF, GFC, some biological products, it's called bio-enhanced FUE. Then if instead of needle, if you're making holes with sapphire blade, it's called sapphire FUE. Sometimes we don't make slits to put the graft. We use direct pen. So it's called pen FUE. Sometimes we don't use forceps to put the hair follicle inside the slits. We use a device called Keep Implanter. It's called Keep FUE. So this way, after understanding, you will not be confused. Otherwise, if you see on the internet, everybody's talking about different techniques, you are confused. So remember, it's not just the technique, it's the doctor and his team, which is more important with the experience also. So now coming to the point for this video is all about instant FUE. So it started from India, a unique technique. See, normally what used to happen is people used to take out the graft and keep it outside. It's like fish out of the water. It can die. Whatever solutions you're putting, still it can die. It's like cutting the finger. It can die. So why not take out these grafts and put it simultaneously? Why to keep them outside the scalp? So that this is 37-degree, outside is chilled. The moment I keep the graft out, the blood supply is gone. I've cut it. No oxygen, no nutrition. So why not give it back to get its nutrition, oxygen, blood supply, and the temperature? So this is called instant FUE, simultaneous extraction of the graft, implantation of the graft. In this technique, we make the slits first. When we make the slit first, by the time we come an implant, the bleeding is also gone. So to make the slits, we take 10-15 grafts, check the size of the follicles, width of the follicles accordingly, 20-25 degree, 10-15 degree, 5 degree, whirl at the crown, 13 degree. So once we have made the bed perfect, then we take out few grafts. So they're team. Somebody is punching, take out a few grafts. Two people on the left and right, they're implanting. Somebody is punching, the graft go there and then implant. So this is a unique technique which came from India, traveling to the world. Now, two friends bringing to Malaysia this technique called instant FUE. So the advantage is that the graft survival is high. Sometimes there's no shedding. Normally, you must have seen 3 months of shedding post-hair transplant. In instant FUE, take it and put it. Hardly any shedding. Imagine you have a plant in a pot with the mud, and the other pot is ready already with the space. You take it, you put it. Why should I keep the plant outside?
Yeah.
So when you put it simultaneously, see, if I take time, the leaves will shed. If I don't take time, pour the water and fix it, leaves may not shed. So instant FUE, we also call dolphin FUE, okay, or the instant FUE. So this is the latest technique, and this will be the first time launched in Kuala Lumpur. It will really change the game. It will make hair comes faster. The survival will be high, and you're going to get great density. So all the best at Dr. Yoga's clinic at Kuala Lumpur. Experience the power of instant FUE.
Thank you for explaining, Dr. Vivek. I hope all of y'all understand what is instant FUE, and this is very easily put here. So I don't believe people would be scared and come forward to do these techniques. So we are looking forward to moving on with these techniques. So thank you very much for having us.
Thank you.
Thank
And
you.
of course, don't worry about the pain in hair transplant.
Yeah.
They have developed a lot of newer techniques to reduce your pain. So talk to them. Of course, the Mumbai Indian patients, talk to us, our doctors, numbers below. And for Kuala Lumpur, talk to them. They will tell you how they have reduced pain, how to make you comfortable, how do you prepare you for a hair transplant, what is before hair transplant, after. Of course, there will be certain candidates not suitable for hair transplant. They will tell you all risk analysis, benefit, how to make a natural hairline, the correct angles, direction, the soft hair. So hair transplant is a very beautiful science, but a very detailed science. It's a journey of a hair follicle from back of the scalp to the front. Everything has to be done perfectly with photography and auditing and detailing every step. Okay,
Yes,
doctor.
you are in
Thank you
great
so
hands.
much.
Thank you
We'll be
very
in
much.
touch. All
Thank
the
you,
best
doctor.
for your practice in
Sure.
Kuala Lumpur.
Thank you.